Hi folks, so here at Jessica in Wisconsin today. We happen to be here in Two Rivers, Wisconsin. This city I definitely recommend for you guys to come and visit, winter and summertime and anytime really, because it is one of those beautiful cities where there's always something going on. My husband, my family and I, we used to come here every year to we used to go camping. They got Peninsula, no, I think, wait a minute, what is it called? I forget the name of the park here, but there is a nice beautiful park where you can camp, and there's a lot of camping sites here in Two Rivers, so I definitely recommend it. It is a beautiful little city here in Wisconsin. Obviously right now it's winter time. It has been we just got a storm a few days ago, so it's a little colder than usual, but it is beautiful and sunny today. So I wanted to make this video quickly here for you guys to see how it looks. It's a beautiful city, and it is a nice little town, guys. See how pretty that is? It has a beautiful architecture. And I'm gonna go ahead and walk one block here downtown. Just like I said, I recommend it 100%. If you guys never been here before, give it a shot. Today just happens to be the storm of the century, I guess, here in Midwest. It got pretty cold, yes, but today is beautiful and sunny. So we are on December 26, 2022. So happy new year for everybody. I hope you guys have fun and you guys be safe out there. Thank you for subscribing to our channels, Jessica in Wisconsin. It is so bright and sunny today. That is beautiful. It's a beautiful day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, thank you for for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for all of those good comments that you guys made for us, and we'll see you next time, folks. This is Two Rivers here in Wisconsin. Beautiful little town. What a beautiful view. Check this out. And to warm up, people, we came to Cool City Cafe here in Wisconsin. It got cold, so we definitely needed a cup of coffee, not beer. Check this place out, please. It is here in downtown Two Rivers. So if you guys ever come to visit, this is open all year round. Great food, great beer, great place, and very unique.